How essential is immunity building to fight against corona? What is immunity? Immunity is a very big term, general term or an umbrella term which indicates the disease resistant power or the disease fighting power of our body. It is divided into two kinds, innate immunity and acquired immunity. See, we take fever. What is fever? Rise of temperature is fever. When the body raises the temperature due to some infection, the raised temperature prevents the infecting agent such as virus or bacteria to multiply. It prevents to multiply. That is the purpose of getting fever. This leads to some side effects such as indigestion, low taste, etc. What is acquired immunity? Acquired immunity is nothing but once one infection agent has come to our body, such as virus or bacteria, gradually our body develops a kind of disease resistance power against that particular disease causing agent, so that next time when it infects us, our body is ready with fighting agents such as T cells, antibodies. Now, in relation to corona, how Ayurvedic herbs are improving the immunity? There are a lot of scientific studies have happened before all this pandemic has happened, that how ginger helps our body, how black pepper helps our body, how turmeric helps our body to fight against microbes. That is through improving our metabolism, improving our digestion. Digestion is nothing but a power through which we can destroy the pathogens. Enzymes present in our saliva, enzymes present in our digestive tract are well capable to completely destroy the pathogens. But due to almost 10 health issues such as kidney damage, liver damage, lung capacity issues, heart issues, BP, all diabetes, all such issues lead to low immunity in a human being. When a human being with low immunity is infected with viruses, immune reaction becomes very slow, very weak. That is not sufficient to fight against the viruses. There comes the help of Ayurvedic herbs. Ayurvedic herbs improve the kidney function, liver function, heart function, lungs function. It prevents the inflammation to a certain extent that body gets a time of an incubation period to fight against all this corona or such similar viruses. That is why Ayurvedic doctors always suggest that improve your immunity. Ayurveda Samhitas such as Ashtanga Hridaya, Charaka Samhita, Sushruta Samhita have well detailed about the pandemics happened in the long ages before. And they have suggested these are the ways, these are the herbs, these are the formulations we have to take as a precautionary measure to make ourselves ready for any such pandemics. They are called Rasayana Dravyas or rejuvenation herbs. Amrutaballi is one such herb, Rhinospora cordifolia. Nellikai, Amla is one such herb. We say vitamin C. Vitamin C, and also there are a lot of unknown active ingredients present in each Ayurvedic herb which boost our immunity. Now, recent study done by Israeli scientists are suggesting that exposure to sunlight for 20 minutes every day will improve our vitamin D content in our blood. Vitamin D is very essential for immunity. Vitamin D is very essential for lot of metabolic activities that is possible to acquire through sunlight exposure. So literally Surya Namaskara, if we do practice every day with mild sun exposure for 20 minutes, where we have to expose our skin to the sun rays, then definitely we can build vitamin D, vitamin B12. In effect, we are taking self-care measures. This is one such self-care measure. Once the vitamins are there in our body, the flow of the vitamin throughout the body is done with the intake of herbs. So, listen to Ayurvedic advices. We say, Ayush kamaya manena dharmartha sukha sadhanam ayurvedopadesheshu vidheyo paramadaraha.